it's holiday pay, and then we'll also be going to learn about uh, premium pay, no, sa ato ang klase pod right after sa holiday pay. Atong paningkamutan nga duha jud sila kabukato ang i-cover for this afternoon, no. So the holiday pay is according to Article 94 of the not only of the Dolly Handbook, no, but also of the Labor Code. It refers to the payment of the regular daily wage for any unwork regular holiday. So lahi po to si premium pay, no. Kung may tag holiday pay class, it's the money that you get for holidays whether or not you work, but the amount depends on what kind of holiday and if nagtrabaho ka ana. So if dili ka mo trabaho during a holiday and you are entitled to still get paid, no, kay dili man ka appeal sa no work no pay nga kind of setup, so masweldoan ka ana. So let's just say 610 imong inadlaw, unya natunong ang holiday pay o weekday, unya wala ka ni duty ana kay syempre holiday pay nitunong ang holiday, ang regular holiday ning tunong og weekday. So meaning ana, no, kanang maski hindi pa ka mo duty ana kay holiday man, no, you are not required to work, no, na siya pa may madawat ana nga inadlaw nga sweldo. Okay, so 610. Dira na mausab, mahimo siyag holiday pay kung mo duty ka on a regular holiday. So ma-double pay na siya, no. Instead nga 610 ang imong madawat ana kaning trabaho man ka on a regular holiday, no. So ang 610 nimo mahimo na siyag 1 to 20. Okay? So, mauna na siya ang imuhang madawat kay times 2 naman sa imuhang regular daily wage. Okay? So, ang coverage ani, this benefit applies to all employees. Okay? So, ma-apply ni siya sa all employees except, okay, kanang mga government employees, no? So, again, only the rank and file employees are benefited, no, ani nga holiday pay. So ang entitled ani kay ang mga rank and file, ang monthly and daily paid employees, so katong naa sa private establishment. Kinsa man ang dili applicable, no, ani nga holiday pay. So mo ni, no, this benefit applies to all employees except kani mga nakalista diri, mo ni siya ang dili entitled sa holiday pay. First, we have the government employees, whether employed by the national government of any of its political subdivisions, including those employed in government-owned and or controlled corporations with original charters or created under special laws. Those retail and service establishments regularly employing less than 10 workers. So, for example, no, you work in a retail establishment, pero less than 10 ang imong mga trabahante, dili sila covered sa holiday pay. So, if mo duty sila during a holiday, they will not get paid double. Okay. So, mauna siya, no, regular sa Japon ilahang pasweldo, no. So, dili na siya mo apply sa ilaha basta less than 10 ka-empleyado in a retail or service establishment. Next, ang kasambahay, no, or mga domestic helpers. Okay, or persons in the personal service of another. Ngano man, kay naa sila, they're actually covered by a separate law. Okay, they're not covered by the holiday pay. Then we also have managerial employees, no, if they meet all of the following conditions. Okay, first, ang kaning managerial employee, their primary duty is to manage the establishment in which they are employed of a department or subdivision thereof. So, syempre, since managerial employee ka, you manage the establishment, di ba? They customarily and regularly direct the work of 2 or more employees. So, sila ang manage and mo direct sa trabaho sa 2 or more nga empleyado. They have the authority to hire or fire other employees of lower rank, or their suggestions and recommendations as to hiring and firing kay naay particular weight. So, for example, pars nako, no, I do not have the power to fire somebody, but I do have the influence to recommend someone nga tangtangon, or kinsa ako ang i-recommend nga promote. Okay. So, since once nga mo apply og faculty sa ako, moagi man na nako for interview, moagi nako for demo, so ako ray mo recommend, no? And then usually mo ingon naman na si Dean nga kay ako man jud ang mangita og teacher. No? So ako ray mo recommend, no? Ako po nay mo reprimand, no? Oh, Pero usahay due to shortages of teachers, dili naman ako na ma-control, no? Labi na, it's easy actually to hire like a lot of qualified unta nga teachers, no, or employees. Pero karon is based naman good on qualifications. So qualification based naman good karon kay gusto ni Chad nga nanay master's degree, na anay at least 3 years of experience. Mo naman na ilaha. If we were to employ someone that is like a fresh grad, that someone should work as a staff first on the first year of their work, and then nana sila units na sa masters, usa pa sila allowed to teach. So mao man na siya, no? Okay. And then, so mo na siya. Mo na ang classification sa managerial employee, no? As long as they manage the establishment, they direct 2 or more employees, and then they have the authority to hire or fire, or kung wala sila authority, at least they can suggest or recommend. They have the influence. Okay. So next is officers of or members of a managerial staff if they perform the following duties and responsibilities. So first, primarily perform work directly related to the management policies of their employer, customarily and regularly exercise discretion and independent judgment, regularly and directly assist a proprietor or managerial employee in the management of the establishment or subdivision thereof in which he or she is employed, or execute under general supervision, work along specialized technical lines, requiring special training, experience, or knowledge. Okay, in short, no, they are members also of the managerial staff under the manager. And then they can also perform work directly to management policies and duties. So, more na pud sila right hand sa manager or assistant manager ba na sila ron, no? So, they are not basically covered by the holiday pay. And then ang 20%, no, they do not devote more than 20% of their hours work in a work week which are not directly closely related to the performance of the work described in 5.1, 5.2, and 5.3. So meaning they were closely related to the performance that is described sa 5.1 to 5.3. So they provide special training, they provide similar managerial task nga dool sa manager, no? Mara po lagi again, mara sila mga mga assistant managers na, no? In the absence of the manager mo na sila ang maoy mo fully. So they are not also entitled for the holiday pay. Mo ni mga exemptions ha. Okay. Dayon, next is field personnel. So field personnel and other employees whose time and performance is unsupervised by the employer, including those who are engaged on task or contract basis, purely commission basis, or those who are paid a fixed amount for performing work irrespective of the time consumed in the performance thereof. Meaning no, kanang mga field personnel class nga dili ma-determine ang time, no? Like especially in the LGU, there are field personnel, no? Nga kanang ay naa si kuan ron, ay wala na siya sa field ron, no? Naglantaw sa kuan. Medyo kapoy po no nang nasa field, no, or kanang person sa DPWH no naa sa field ron, siya sa office ron. Nag-check siya dito, no, sa mga kipang construct sa kuan, no. So kanang mga field work class nga dili man nimo na siya kay syempre di man nimo sila mamakit-an kung nagpahaway ba sila o takabalo kung katrabaho ba dyan na sila og tarong kakuan ba na sila ga monitor. Kay syempre di man nimo makit-an kay wala man sila within the establishment, kay naman sila sa field work. So dili sila covered sa holiday pay. Okay, again kinsa raman to ang covered sa holiday pay? Rank and file employees, monthly paid and daily paid employees in private establishments. So ring itag rank and file kana nang they do not hold any management position. And then there are either monthly or daily paid employees and they work in a private establishment. Okay. So these are the following regular holidays. Pursuant to Proclamation number 42 series of 2022, so karon na move naman kana na mga other holidays nga natangtang, no, or nakuan na usab ang date, no. As amended by Proclamation number 90 series of 2022, the following are the 12 regular holidays for the year 2023. Okay, but in short, no, ang mga regular holidays sa man class kay New Year, Monday, Thursday, dili Monday, Thursday ha, Monday, Thursday, Good Friday, Araw ng Kagitingan, Labor Day, Independence Day, National Heroes Day, Bonifacio Day, okay, Christmas Day, Rizal Day, and Idil Fitr o Idil Adha. Ang Idil Fitr and ang Idil Adha is upon proclamation because it's a movable date. Okay, so only regular holidays are covered by the holiday pay. Kasi holiday pay times 2, twice the amount. Di ba kung regular pay lang ka, 100% of your regular salary. Say 100% sa 610, di 610. But if we say 200%, that will be twice the amount. 200%. Okay, your regular salary is 610. If you double that, that's 1,220. Well, that's twice the amount of your regular daily wage. Okay, so every employee covered by this holiday pay rule is entitled to at least the minimum wage rate. This means that the employee is entitled to at least 100% of his or her minimum wage rate, even if he or she did not report for work, provided that he or she is present or is on leave of absence with pay on the workday immediately preceding the holiday. O, dili na ni maglibog, no? Tong Bisayaon. Okay, we will simplify it. For example, okay, today is Monday. Tomorrow, let us just say tomorrow, example ra niya, kung yung pilosopohon, no? Tomorrow, for example, is a regular holiday. Let us just say, it's regular holiday tomorrow. Unya, ning absent mang karon. Wala pa jud kaning pay og leave of absence with pay. Oh, wala ka ning file og leave of absence with pay. Ning absent ra karon nga walay pananghid. Okay. Ang matabuan na inig ka following day, kay tungod holiday naman na siya, you will not receive your holiday pay of 100%. You are not entitled of your daily basic wage. So you either have to what? You either have to work para i-offset na siya imong absent karon para ugma mabayaran ka og kuan, mabayaran ka og 100% of your basic wage. Unya ma'am, like ni absent abi ko karon nya ugma regular holiday nya ni duty ko ugma, dili din na double pay. Dili kay ni absent man ka a day before the regular holiday. O tawhay ra po kay kag mo demand pa kag double pay nya ni absent ka a day before ana. O atong butang kalendaryo kay para mas masabtan. Karon kay February 9, atong ibutang ta lang. Tomorrow is a regular holiday. Tomorrow. Ning absent ka karon, wa pa jud ka ning file og regular wala ka ning file of leave of absence with pay or sundumi na ha, leave of absence with pay dapat. Kay usas Japon kay kung mo leave of absence ka without paid, wala Japon kaanay pay credits dire no or holiday credits dire. Oh, wala ka ning file og leave of absence with pay. Unya, wa kay madawat ani para ma-offset na ni duty na lang ka diri nga regular holiday. Pero dili na siya double pay. Eh, di ba ang ruling unta dapat is kung mo duty ka on a regular holiday, doble imong bayad. Unya kay ni absent pa ka a day before. Ni absent man ka, o ka nag-leave of absence. I-offset nimo siya sa Feb 10 nga regular holiday, duty ka ana, masking holiday. Regular pay ra Japon. Dili na ma-double. Tungod ana nga ruling. Okay? Or, depende pa sa HR. Basta mo ng HR nga, like duty sa Feb 10, oy, holiday. Wala dyan kayo madawat. Muna siya. No? Depende na sa ruling niyo sa inyong HR. Okay. Basta, ma-notified mo ahead of time. Nga muna yung consequences. Now, for example, ma'am, what if ni duty ko aning Feb 9? Unya, ni duty pa ko Feb 10. Dira na siya mga madoble imong sweldo. Because you were present a day preceding the holiday, which is 9, and then you were also present, you reported to work on February 10, which is a regular holiday, which makes it a double pay. Okay? You are only allowed nga mo absent a day before the regular holiday if ning file kag leave of absence with pay. Okay, nakasabot ra? Nakasabot?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Pangutana.
ma'am.
Base na ay wala kasabot akong balikon. Nakagets na naman po siguro mo. Sige, we will proceed. Okay, so work performed on that day merits at least twice or 200% the daily wage of the employee. The above mention is without prejudice to any voluntary practice or provision in the collective bargaining agreement, providing for payment of wages and other benefits for days declared as special days, even if unworked. Okay. So, mo 610 ang iyahang daily wage per day niya. So, 610 multiplied by 200 kay ning duty man siya anang adlaw, wala pa siya ning absent a day before the holiday. So, muna nga, nahimog 1,220. Now, ang sinatabuan niya, no, 573 iyang rate. Yan ning duty siya. Or wala siya ning duty, di. Pwede ra na niya, no, wala siya ning duty or ning duty siya. Pero, wala lagi siya additional pay because this is retail and service establishment nga nag-employ og less than 10 workers. Basta less than 10 gani, you are not covered by the holiday pay. Okay. Ato na siyang i-complicate pa jud og samot. Ito i-complicate og samot inyong July, no? Where the holiday falls on a scheduled rest day of the employee, work performed merits at least an additional 30% of the employee's regular holiday rate of 200 or a total of at least 260. Kung mulantaw ta sa tuang kodigo, kung mo duty ka on a holiday, regular ha, dili special, regular holiday dyan na dapat. Ma-double pay ra man ka regular holiday. Ang special holiday, lain-lain na og rate na ay 1.3, na ay 150, depende pod na siya sa setup. Kung mulantaw ta sa tong kodigo class, rao. Muni siyang mga guide computations, no? Regular holiday, falling on a rest day, 260. So, timing, for example, no? Sa mga tong regular holiday na to, New Year's Day. So, sa New Year's Day ninyo, Jan 1, ning duty ka na, ning kay kanu mo, pag party-party sa 31, duty dayon ka. Sa New Year's Day, ning duty ka sa regular holiday, kaya ano kay kakakanang kung ano kananing. Unya, timing po dan Jan 1, kay nahulog abi og, sa man ang Jan 1. O, nahulog ang Jan 1 og Thursday. Unya, imong day off, imuhang rest day. According sa imuhang schedule, kay na fall ka the Thursday. Bali mo duty ka Friday to Wednesday. Friday to Wednesday. Pero kada Thursday, day off na nimo. Okay. Unya, natudong pa siya ng January 1 og Thursday. Nga, it's a regular holiday and a rest day at the same time. So, kung sa kodigo na to sa computation sa Dolly Handbook, 260. Pero, kung ato lang siyang paminsaron, ato lang hunahunaon, ngayon nabot og 260. Oh, imagine ha, ning duty ka on a regular holiday, ning work ka on a regular holiday. Yung ma'am, wala man ka ning duty ning 31. Oh, kuan, kay syempre holiday man pud na, no? Holiday man pud na siya, New Year's Eve man na, no? So, tula ibutangan, kuan, okay ra, passable ra, kay tungod, kuan, kanang, sa tawag ani? Ning kuan ka, ning file ka leave of absence with pay, or sa case to sa kung uyab, no, kay US man lang clients, gatrabaho siya og New Year, no? May gani, yung trabaho is, kuan, 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. So, okay ra. So, walga, kanta-kanta na mi dito, gagsugba-sugba, no? Siya, duty siya tal alas 2 sa hapon, no? 2 p.m. ra noon, no? May gani, dili for, karon 4 p.m. na to 1 a.m., no? So, muna, no, kanang, ni-duty siya 31, oh, nya, kuan na to siya, P4 paldo na to, kay, kuan naman, no? Duty ba to siya 1? Mark, duty pa siya 1, no? Duty dito siya straight. Oh, so atoy butan ni duty, no? Ni duty ka. Ano siya ka kananing, no? Adyo kay pamilya nga ni duty jud ka. Now, atoy butang, kada palanda ang ni duty ka on a regular holiday, 200% na good na. That's twice your regular salary because your regular salary is 100%, di ba? Nya, twice na good na daan, kay tungod it's a regular holiday. nag-duty ka on a regular holiday times 2, 200%. Now, kung mo-duty ka on a rest day, pila man na ang madungag? 30%, di ba? Dili na 130 kay hindi man siya ordinary day or rest day alone. It's a regular holiday ang imong natungnan. Dili kani. So di na 130 mong i-add. Ang kanirang 30. Kaya di ba atong gisabutan atong last time na face to face ta nga ang 30 gidungag na siya sa 100% of your salary. Your regular salary is 100%, no? 610, no? Dungagan pa siya nag 30% of 610, idungag si mong regular salary as an additional pay nga ning duty ka on a rest day. Unya, karon kay ni duty man ka on a rest day, nga natunong siya regular holiday nga everything is twice its amount times 2, maunang 60, maunang 60. Kay double pay pakadaan, kay regular holiday, na fall pa rin siya on your rest day because your rest day, for example, is every Thursday, mao na ang 30 times 2, 60. Mao na, you combine this together. The 200% from your regular holiday pay plus you nag-duty pa rin ka falling on a rest day, so imuhang 30% from your rest day tani nga additional, ma-times 2 pod siya. Okay. Nakasabot ra. Gibisaya na nako na ha para dali masabtan ang uban ga puti ra ang mata kay wala jud no. Baliki lang ni ang recording. Balaan lang po nato ni ron kay basta ni hatan akong chance ninyo nga mangutana ha. Oh, kay ako naman ditong gi-explain. Para sa gud na aning double holiday ang double holiday class triple pay times 3. Kung sa to pa, itong i-compute no kay taka mental math guys. 610 imong inadlaw, 610 multiplied by 3, 1,830 ang imuhang salary anang adlaw times 3 kay double holiday times 3. Di mo ma-confuse nga double holiday niya times 3. Ang regular holiday ang times 2. Ang special holiday, additional 30 or 50% ra jud na siya. Gamay ra jud na ang special holiday. Ang double holiday times 3. Okay. Dayon, lantawa ang ikon dire. Kung ang double holiday matunong sa rest day, di ba? Triple pay nagug ka sa double holiday. Samot matunong pa jud sa rest day nimo. Thursday abi mo rest day, natunong pa jud og Thursday. So na doble. Double holiday pa ka, rest day pa jud. Ngano na 90? Again, 30% ra na ang idungag sa imong 100% nga salary kung mo duty ka on a rest day. Naa diri. Unya kay na times 3 naman na kay tungod ni duty ka on a double holiday nga tunong pa jud og rest day nimo, ang 30 gikatuloon og multiply. No? So syempre, no, that is 90. Okay, mo nang 390. Kay mo apply pud ang rule ni double holiday sa iyahang rest day nga pay. Say pud na sa regular holiday no, since double pay man na sa regular holiday, mo apply pud na iyahang double pay sa matunong og rest day no, sa rest day pay niya. Nakasabot ra? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Proceed. Okay, balik ta dito sa baba. Actually, mo to siya Codigo class, no? Pero kung imo rin siyang subton, ikaw naman bahala makabalo. Ikapilo. Ikapilahon siya nimo i-multiply. Okay, sana to. Mga to siya, no? So, muna nga, 260%. Basta mo duty ka on a regular holiday falling on a rest day. Kay times 2 pod imuhang rest day pay. Okay. When a regular holiday falls on a Sunday, the following Monday shall not be a holiday. Again, it depends on the presidential president's declaration, no? Kay pars anang what do you call this? Ang 17 is a Tuesday. That is Chinese New Year. Wala na lang jud gi Monday para long weekend, no? Pero depende rin na sa presidente yung i-declare, no? So when araw na kagitingan falls on the same day as Monday, Thursday, or Good Friday, a covered employee is entitled to at least 200% of his or her daily wage if that day is unworked. Where the employee is required to work on that day, he or she is entitled to additional 100% of the daily wage. So, mao na siya itong ginatawag nga double holiday. Okay, mo ni siya. Ang araw ng kagitingan, dungan pa jud siya natunong sa Monday, Thursday, or Good Friday, no? Sa itong Semana Santa. Now, kung dili ka mo duty ana, double holiday na siya, 200% imong madawat if it's a double holiday. 2 regular holidays in 1 day. Now, if ning duty ka, napadyo kay additional 100% or 300 na siya all in all. So imagine, no, kung di ka mo duty on a double holiday, you get 200% of your daily wage, which comes rarely. Unya, kung mo duty pa jud ka, napadyo kay additional 100%. That makes it 300. Mo to siya ang double pay. Unya matunong pa jud og Thursday, kay Monday, Thursday man, nya araw ng kagitingan, unya imo pa yung day off o 390%. Kay nin duty ka on your day off nga double holiday. Na Monday, Thursday og araw ng kagitingan. So ana ra na siya. Ang kuan ani maglabad ang ulo ani ang HR. Napa dyan na class no kanang kung mo overtime siya o nya holiday pa jud, napa dyan na siya mga additional computations. Okay. So, all covered employees shall be entitled to holiday pay. Saday. Oh, wait lang sa guys ha. Hala, ako rin ang gitagaan day. Hala, inasin mo muna, thank you ha. Ang uban ng teachers di ay? Ha? Hala, ako rin lagi gitagaan ni mamona. Thank you, day. Inasin mo na, thank you ha. Oh, naghatag ani? Ah, sige. Paarialan day dayon. Tagaay kog ballpen. Kuyugin lang guro siya diri. Okay, diri ko nagklase di kay kuan. Mm. Okay, so wait lang sa for a while class ha kay kanang naamong ko estudyante nangita nako. Yeah, importante pod kay na ipapirmahan. Sige lang. Wal gahulatan niya padayon lang ko. So, wait lang, padayon. So, napod na siya separate pay class ha kung kuan. For example, overtime pa din siya. Grabe na siya kasi no. Overtime pa din siya on a double or regular holiday. Napod siya na separate computation, which we will also encounter that one in our future discussion. So, under absences, all covered employees shall be entitled to holiday pay when they are on leave of absence with pay on the workday immediately preceding the regular holiday. So, kung giingon kanina no nga, entitled ka sa holiday pay even if dili ka mo work ana nga adlaw as long as or nya mo absent pa jud ka basta mo na ha ako na jud nang gi-summarize diri. As long as mo either mo duty ka a day before the regular holiday, mo na yung regular holiday for example, nya na yung duty ka a day before ana, or mo absent ka ning a day before the regular holiday pero nagkuan ka nag-leave of absence with pay. Dapat leave of absence with pay jud na siya. Wait lang for a while ha. Yes, Day. Say update sa imong kuan. Kaya nga, estudyante kadali no. Okay, what siya no? Employers grant the same percentage of the holiday pay as the benefit granted by the competent authority in the form of employees' compensation or social security payment, whichever is higher, if the employees are not reporting for work while on such leave benefits. Where the day immediately preceding the holiday is a non-work day in the establishment or scheduled rest day of the employee, he or she shall not be deemed leave of absence on that day. Wala nga lang kapait if wala na PowerPoint no. He or she shall not be deemed leave of absence on that day, which case he shall be entitled to holiday pay if she worked on a day immediately preceding the non-work day or rest day. What does it mean? Ay na po ta. For example, mo naman to kani siya regular holiday si Feb 10. Si Feb 9 kay the day before the holiday. Unya natunong man na nga nabalhin imuhang shift, no? Nabalhin ang imuhang work. Ang imuhang uh, imuhang rest day kay nabalhin og Lunes. Unya timing pa jud nga Lunes is a rest day before the regular holiday. Di ba ang rule na to dapat present ka, no? Dapat present ka a day before the holiday for you to be entitled of the holiday pay. Either you get 100% of your regular salary if wala ka ning trabaho on this regular holiday, or kung mo trabaho ka on that regular holiday, you will get double or twice the amount of your salary, which is 200%. Basta ang ruling is present ka aning a day before the regular holiday. Ang problema, no, di makaka-file og leave of absence ani. Kay atong ibutang rest day nimo. O di makaka-file og leave of absence kay rest day man jud nimo, di man jud ka required to go to work. Or kaning Feb 9 so ibutang is cessation of work. Unsang cessation of work kanang close sa ang work kay gabagyo. Gabagyo or kuan wala sa close sa ang office karon. Unsay buhaton nimo? As long as present ka aning Sunday. Kay rest day man nimo every Monday, di ba? As long as present ka the day before the preceding non-work day or rest day, which is also before the regular holiday. O ana ra na siya. No, medyo labad lang siya sa ulo nanao pero as long as again present ka a day before the regular holiday or ning file kag leave of absence with pay. Dili pwede credited ang leave of absence without pay. Dapat leave of absence with pay. Okay, mo na mong i-file. Or di lang ka mo absent altogether. Or kung di mo siya malikayat, kay rest day man siya nimo ang Monday. Unya, or walay trabaho kay galain ang panahon, o dapat present ka ani na lang 8, no? A day before the non-work day. Meaning na di ka pala absent, no? Di ka absent, no? Mora dyan na siya. Di naman nimo problema kung kada adlaw ka duty. Wala dyan na kaso sa imuha. Kay you will provided with holiday credits, no? Bitaw kami, buor dyan pa na mo sweldo. Kami mga monthly paid employees. Kay masking holiday pa na class niya, di mo duty, bayad mi ana. Pero dili mi bayad kung mo duty mi on a holiday, no? Nin duty jud kog Labor Day class nang hakot. Nag-labor jud ko on a Labor Day class no nang hakot. Kami ran duha ni Sir Gibson nang hakot mig bugat king mga lamisa. Nanaka mi sa second floor, no? Gikan sa kato nasunugan ang building. Unya wala man ang kulang watagos dili siya double pay sa mo ang kuan maski ni trabaho mi on a it was not a kuan, it was not a regular holiday. We were not given any like premium pay on that day because our employers were not notified or we were not required by our employers to work. As long as we are not required by our employers to work or dili sila notified nga mo trabaho mi on that day, wala without their approval, di jud mi sweldoan ana og special pay. Regular lang nga salary ana nga day, no? Amora mo gutong pagbuot kay kulang mi og adlaw, no? Kay tungod if we will do it on the weekends, layo na kaayo. Weekdays busy kaayo mi, no? Ana man jud ang maestra, we work even we are not paid on those days, no? Ana man jud na siya, guys. Pero if you are in the corporate world, that is always considered, no? So, mora jud na. Asa, ang importante lang, aware inyuhang employer. Di jud ta magtuga-tuga og overtime, or mo trabaho og holiday, nya dili di ta mabayaran, no? Mo jud nay kuan, no? Labi na sa ato ang mga corporate bosses. So, mao na siya. Okay, successive regular holidays, no, magdungan, no? Dili siya on the same day. Kung on the same day, that's a double holiday. Nagsagunson, pasunod. Okay, where there are two successive regular holidays like Monday, Thursday, and Good Friday, an employee may not be paid for both days if he or she absents himself from work on the day immediately preceding the first holiday, unless he or she works on the first holiday, which in case he or she is entitled to her holiday pay on the second day. So, ibot pasabot ani. Kung na patag kalendaryo. Actually, today, no? Ano sa ganyan ang kuan? Feel ko March ang Semana Santa. Katolik ko tano pero takabalo kung kano sa ang Semana Santa. But anyway, let us just put this as an example for example's sake. Let us just say, Feb 12, example ra na ha, sila na po na yung mukuan nga, dili mo na Monday, Thursday ang Feb 12, example ra gani, no? So, ang Feb 12, for example, is Monday, Thursday. Example ra na. Friday is Good Friday. Okay, kanis lang do. Successive siyang regular holidays. Now, ning absent man kag Wednesday, di pa jud na nimo rest day. Wa pa jud ka ning file og leave of absence with pay. So, wala ka na, no? Wala ka tanan. Absent ka ni. Dili ka entitled to holiday pay on these 2 days, even if ang matabo ra jud ani, no, kung wala ka ning duty pa jud ani niya, absent pa jud ka sa 11, wala ka pag Monday, Thursday, wala pa jud ka pag Good Friday, absent pa jud ka pag Wednesday. So imong buhaton ana kay absent man ka ni, wala kaning file. Agan ha, wala kaning file og leave of absence with pay. Wala tanan, no? Di pa na nimo rest day. Absent pa jud ka aning duha ka adlaw, no? Absent pa jud ka diri ning lahos pa jud diri nga holiday. Imong buhaton para makadawat ka og double pay, mo duty ka diri sa 12. You will get only a regular pay of 610. Kay absent man ka sa 11, wala pa jud kaning leave of absence. So duty ka diri. Kung mo duty ka diri sa Feb 12, you will get 610 as your regular pay. Mo duty pa jud ka og 13, kay offset mo duha nimo ka absent Tuesday, Wednesday, dira pa na nga time nga makadawat ka og double pay sa 13. Ngano dili sa 12? Kay tungod gi-offset man nimo ni imong absent. So meaning ana diri na mohapak imong benefit sa sunod nga adlaw. Or ma'am, for example, absent ko sa 11, ning duty kog 12. Nya ni absent, wala ko ning duty sa 13 kay holiday. Okay. Absent ka sa 11, no? Nya wala pa jud ka ning file og leave of absence with pay. Pero ni duty ka sa 12. You are entitled to only like a regular you're entitled to a regular salary of 610. Pag abot og Friday, wala na ka ni duty kay you want to experience the long weekend. Okay, you will be entitled to a holiday pay Japon of a regular pay. 610 Japon maski wala ka ning duty. Pero gilahos nimo duty tanan. Absent ka diri a day preceding the regular holiday, ning duty kag 2 consecutive regular holidays. So si 12 regular pay ra siya kay i-offset man nimo absent. Si 13 double pay na kay ning duty naman ka on a Friday, which is Good Friday, a regular holiday. Okay, ana ra na siya. Si 12 ra man siya na imong pang-offset good para you will get rewarded sa 13. Kung duha na ka consecutive ha, kung sa gunson, no, successive nga regular holidays, kung sa gunson ang duha, kana kung tapad ang duha ka regular holiday. Nakasabot ra. Libog kayo no, alo diri jud na yung maglibog nga part, no. Sige lang. So, mara jud tadaan ninyo, dili mo absent sa day before. Kung mo absent pa gani day before the regular holiday, file og leave of absence with pay. Kung successive holidays, i-offset sa first holiday para ma-rewarded ka sa second holiday. Ana ra jud na siya, whether or not mo duty ka og dili. Okay. Next, in cases of temporary or periodic shutdown and temporary cessation of work in an establishment, no kay kana personal na tabo abi sa PNB, dili pa kay sila kadawat og daghan kayo nga kanang OJTs kay kuan pa man sila sana di ba exactly nga na cessation of work pero kanang renovate pa man sila or nabi temporary cessation sa work kay tungod no, aside from renovation, gubon kay mo relocate sa lain nga kuan natabo pod biya na with RCBC no nagrelocate sila sa lain nga office. So, wala sa work anang adlaw. Ana ra pong adlaw, okay? Or na ay repair or cleaning, no? Kadumdumi sa una na atoy usa ka adlaw nga wala may gipa-duty tanan. Kay medyo mingaw man gud siya gut, like wala kay may mga guest. So, wala sa may gipa-duty kay mag-fogging. Okay, so cleaning of machines, then equipment, no? The regular holidays falling within that period nga na cessation of work shall still be compensated. So, wala man may gipa-require nga mo work abi, ma'am. For example, di ba, anak man ka nga, dapat di may mo absent a day before the regular holiday niya. Tibok si mana, wa may gipatrabaho. Kay, mo na no, either temporary shutdown, kay magpa-fogging, or na ay renovation, or relocation, or temporary cessation usa, kay na ay mga damages, no? Like, for example, na ay mga natural disasters. Unya kinahanglan pa og repair, no? Ang amo ang facilities, establishment, no? So, mao na siya guys nga kinahanglan na dayon na og kuan temporary cessation. Kung temporary cessation, you are still compensated ani nga mga following days. So, mora na. Dili mo angay mabalaka kay there is still compensation. Di ba rin yung sala, no? Those are things that you cannot control anymore, no? So, padayon na siya po, no? Di man mo ana mataktakan, makuan og kanang sweldo. So, mauna siya. Next, holiday pay of certain employees. So, where the covered employee is paid on a piece rate basis, his or her holiday pay shall not be less than his or her average daily earnings for the last 7 actual work days preceding the regular holiday. However, that in no case shall the holiday pay be less than the applicable statutory minimum wage rate. So, ang holiday pay niya should not be less than the minimum wage rate for those who are working on a piece rate basis. They are still actually so kanang covered by the holiday pay as long as again there are not less than 10 employees. Seasonal workers may not be paid the required holiday pay during off-season when they are not at work. So, ang mga seasonal workers kanang mga on-call ra na siya class, no? Like for example, the regular jud siya nga staff is naara sa mga 10. Now, na may peak season no, kaya daghan mga banquets, daghan mga events during summer or insets ng mga teachers, so they'll be hiring additional on-call employees or seasonal workers since peak season man. In demand kaayo ang ato ang manpower. Now, mahulog gani na nga ilang duty did not fall on a regular holiday, they may not be required holiday pay because again, no, on-call raman sila, they only work when they are needed. Then workers who do not have regular working days, such as stevedores, shall be entitled to this benefit. No, stevedores are those who work in kuan ha kanang sa kanang not exactly pantalan, no, mga cargo ships ba niya. Dira man na ipang dock no mga cargo ships. Like you see that a lot in Cebu. Unya sila na ang kanang murag muman sa I can't actually like explain it. I'll just show it to you. But they work in koan class. They work in like cargo ships, not inside cargo ships. Kana lang once they dock, no. Stevedores. This one. So kanang mga cargo ships like kanang maabot na yung mga parcel. Maabot na ng mga kanang mga heavy equipment or vehicles inside cargo ships, no nya. Mo na ilang kuan. Mas sila di pud exactly like cargador pod, no. Mara na ilang trabaho. Sa port na sila guys, no. They don't have regular work hours, so they are entitled to holiday pay. They even work during holiday, no. Kay kanang mga kuan, mga parcel niyo maabot og charot. Maabot na siya on time. Napamantay 30 minutes, proceed ta sa holiday pay. Kanirang mga small coverages. Lahi ni siya class ha, si premium pay or special na siya o kanang mga rest day, special days and rest day. Dili ni appeal ang special working ha, lahi po ng mga special working holiday. Special ra na paminawon pero regular pay ra na inyong madawat kay working holiday good, no. So, ang mga non-working, mo na yung mga 30%, kung magdungan na ay mong special day o rest day, kay mo na siya ang 50%. Okay, so what is a premium pay? Premium pay refers to the additional compensation for work performed within 8 hours. Within 8 hours on rest days and special days. So this benefit applies to all employees except government employees. So same ra Japon guys, no? Sila ra Japon ang mga dili covered. Same people ra jud, no? Um, katulad Japon, managerial employees dili sila exempted ani. Exempted ang mga managerial employees, ang government employees, katulad laging mga rank and file employees kanaa sa private establishments. Whether or not kani sila are monthly or daily paid employees. Hindi na ko nabasahon kay parihas ra na sila tanan, no? So, premium pay is extra pay, class ha, on top of the basic wage. Your basic wage is 100%. Na ba siya may additional ng extra pay? When the employee works on rest days, special non-working days, and certain holidays under specific conditions. So, pasabot ana, tagaan na mo nag-premium pay kung mo trabaho mo anang rest day ninyo. No, kay naning man jud kay mo, wala mo rest, no? Or mga special non-working, dili special working ha, non-working holiday. Okay, so mao na siya. O kanang certain holidays nga specific conditions depende na sa inyong syudad, no? Charter days ana, or kanang mga i-commemorate yung local hero. Depende man gud na may uban nga na mga ingana nga special holidays class. Basta nang mga after sinulog, no? Kanang mga ingana i-declare big holiday sa mayor or sa governor, no? Depende ra dyan na. Naman yung mga other special declared holiday. Okay, so mo ni mga special non-working days class according to Proclamation number 42 series of 2022 na naman ay bag-o karon. Visit lang mo sa official gazette of our government to see the updated special days. Okay, so mo na siya, no? January 2 is a non-working day. That is right after New Year's Day at sa People Power Revolution. So, which reminds me, marag this coming 25, no? February mo na siya, no? Kalarga na to padulong sa Cebu. It's a special non-working day. Black Saturday, Ninoy Aquino Day, All Saints Day, additional non-working day on November 2 following All Saints Day, Feast of the Immaculate Conception of Mary, and then also the last day of the year, which is December. So, for working days, no, special working days, special na siya paminahon class, pero you are entitled to your daily wage. Kay patrabahoon naman Japon ta ana, no, no premium pay is required. Special ra siya paminahon, pero regular wage ra ato ang madawat. Because work performed on that said special working day is still considered ordinary work day. Faet, char. Sige lang. So, next. Okay. Premium pay rates. So, the no work, no pay principle applies to special days and on such other days may be proclaimed by the President or by Congress. Workers who are not required or permitted to work on special days are not entitled. So, muna kung gichika ninyo dai, no? Di, masking mo, duty pa ka kayo, naning kay kalo, bida-bida jud ka pa, duty jud ka, no? O niya, dili man ka required to work. You are not required, no, to come to your workplace. So you are not entitled to any compensation, not unless there is a memo from your HR or from your direct supervisor that you are required to work on that special day or during your rest day kay due to anang understaff, no? Or ang nakakuan pa jud ana class, no? Kay naay trabaho nga wala na tiwas o kana entitled na mo ana sa premium pay. Okay. So, dapat yun na informed. So, this, however, is without prejudice to any voluntary practice or provision in the collective bargaining agreement, providing for payment of wages and other benefits for days declared as special days even if unworked. Okay. So, on the other hand, work performed on special days merits additional compensation of at least 30%. So, again, no, 100% is your daily wage. On top of that, you get an additional 30% from your basic wage. So 30% sa 610 idungag sa imuhang salary as an additional pay. If you work on a rest day or a special holiday. Mahimo ra na siya 150 kung magdungan ang duha. Natunong na og special holiday, no, tang ibutang, no, ning duty ka og November 2. Unya, rest day pa jud na nimo. So, nadoble. Nag-duty ka on a special holiday, special non-working holiday, falling on a rest day. So, instead of 30, you will be granted an additional 50%. So, 205, no? Oh no, not 205, 305, sorry. Ang madungag, no, sa emuhang regular pay. Additional 50% of your basic wage. Kaya gani, di ka ni 300 pa. Sobra pa. 150 man di ay, sorry. 610 times 1.5. Okay, or times 150%. 915. Okay, so that's the total amount na sa imong madawat. So, na 50% of your basic wage, a total of 150%. So, 610, sorry, not 310 ang madungag. So, it's 1.5 di ay, no? 610 multiplied by 1.5, then you get 915. Dili day siya top up lang, no? So, yung multiplication, multiplied na ni mo siya. So, same goes ani. Kani 130 ra ni siya kay ni duty siya on a special day or rest day. Pero kung magdungan ang duha, yung duty siya og special holiday which is November 2 baron or January 2, unya tunong pa jud nga rest day na niya anang adlaw, pero yung duty Japan siya 50% instead of 30. So 150. So regular wage ang formula mo dyan is regular wage multiplied by your premium pay depending on the situation. So maora man na siya. Okay, we will just proceed with the rest of the details of the premium pay. Wala mo siya na matiwas, no, by next meeting. Probably when I come back, no, next week. No, the overtime. Ay, hapit naman po di ay. Ako na lang nitiwason, oy. Ako na lang nitiwason di ay, guys. Kay gamay lang, kanila naman di ay last and magkuan na ta. Mag overtime pay. So, mga siya na 50% if it's a special day falling on a rest day, only 50% of 30% if it's a rest day only or a special day only or a rest day only. If combined ang duha, that's 50%. So 100, which is your basic salary, plus 50, equivalent to 150, or to make it easier, 610 times 1.5. Convert lang. Okay. Dili na punta. Ay, mo rin akong gi-mention kanina tong 260, no? Katong regular holiday, which is also, mo rin akong gi-discuss kanina, no? Katong regular holiday, di ba? Double man to. Yan, natunong pa dyan siya on a rest day. So, ang 30 multiplied by 2. Kaya na, apply man po ang double pay sa ayahang premium, sa ayahang rest day pay. Oh, na times 2 na to siya. Sumutong 260. Kabalo naman man ako na itong gi-discuss kanina. Mora man na siya. Dali naman ni si premium pay. Basta yung tandaan ha, 130 or 1.3, kaya tungod 30% naman na siya kung mo duty ka on a rest day or a holiday. Special, non-working holiday. Now, mahimo siya og 150 or 1.5, an additional of 50%, no? Kung combined ang duha. Rest day, which is also a special non-working day. Kung special working day siya, dili pa may masayo pa kung estudyante ba sa exam. Kung special working day siya, makakuha siya 130 or 100 ra iyahang makuha, 100%. Kung special working day, na siya additional 130 or 100% ra of their basic monthly salary. Who would like to answer? Who would like to answer? Oh, kung mo duty siya on a special working holiday, would they get, type sa mo sa chat GPT, would they get 130% or 100 only? Or regular wage ra? Oh, I think somebody already unmuted their microphone. What do you think is the answer? I will ask Ruel.
Is dam unsa to sa imong question dam?
Again, I will repeat the question para makadungog ang tanan. Now, if you will work on a special working holiday, pila man ka percent ang madungag sa imong pay? Is it 130? Is it 150? Or just plain 100? Or your regular na siya nimo nga kuan, daily wage? O, i-type sa ka sa chat GPT, maghulat ra ko.
Bali 130 ra ang ma-add sa imong kuan dam.
Are you sure? Final answer?
Yes dam.
Special working holiday. Bagor na ko to gi-classic, balaan ra gid sa maminaw. Who would like to help Ruel? He-
Ma'am, 100 ma'am.
Justify why, Jomar. Ngano 100 imong answer? Why do you think it's 100?
Kay kuan ma'am kaning times
Times
2
2,
raman siya
are you
ma'am.
sure? Bag-or na ko to gi-classic kanina, balaan jud wala na minaw ni mga bataa, oy. Bag-or na ko to gi-mention kanina. Alas maputol na kong ugat klinase. Who would like to add? Nang leave na dayon. Di mo ka buhi sa kuha ba sa face-to-face ba? I would like to ask, asam to tong mga honors dire? Saman ha? Christine. Why do you think it's only 100? Yes, Althea.
Ma'am, I think it's 100 ra ma'am kay supposedly rest day niya but it's a special day niya maka na murag Sabado pero holiday. And murag kun siya ma'am ok kanang need niya mo work para magkanang for 30 for 100% nga ah
No,
kada
it's
rest day
okay.
supposedly.
Actually, it is a wait lang. Actually, okay. Bagar na ko gisulti. Basta special working holiday. Nadiri oh. For work performed on declared special working days or holidays, an employee is entitled to only their daily wage. No premium pay is required. Unsa man to tong premium pay? Katong 30%, 50%. Okay. Kanang 100%, that is your regular salary. 100%, for example, no, you are paid 610 pesos per day. Okay, 610 pesos per day. Nya, if you're entitled to 100% of your salary, that is still 610 because that is your daily salary. Mahimo ra na siya premium pay kung mo duty ka on a special non-working holiday, which is a rest day or a holiday, special non-working holiday. Mo na ang premium pay nimo, no? 30% kung rest day ka mo duty or special non-working day. Gibalik-balik ko na kanina. Kung combined ang duha, if your rest day falls on a special non-working holiday, then mo na ang 50%. Okay. Nya, special working day man siya. Lahi siya sa special non-working. Nara ang special non-working, nara sa babaw. Nangugat na ko nag-explain kanina. Klaro kayo, wala na minaw ang uban. Bitaw tangutan ako if na may questions. Then kani, mo ni siya ang special working day. Lahi siya og set up the special non-working day. Si special non-working day, mo ni sila, no? If mo duty ka ani nila, naa kay additional 30% of your salary. That's 130. Okay. Or kung mo duty ka on a rest day, dili special non-working day, rest day lang nimo, additional 130 or 30%, no? 130 ang i-multiply sa imong daily wage. Kung magdungan ang duha, special non-working day og rest day, mo na ang 50%. Mo na ang 150. Okay. Unlike diri nga special working day, it is considered an ordinary work day. Okay, nara dyan na diri class. Para saan ni? For work performed on rest day or special non-working day, plus 30% of the daily basic wage of 100. So, mahimo na siya og 130. Muning matabo. Basic wage multiplied by 130%. Kung work performed on a rest day, which is also a special day, so nagdungan ang duha, plus 50% from the basic wage of 100. Total of 150. So, 610 multiplied by 150 or 1.5. Asa na ko ang 100? 100% of your basic wage, which is kani, mong inadlaw nga sweldo, and 50% of your premium pay. So, gi-add silang duha mo na siya. Pero kung again, mo duty ka on a mo duty ka on a special working, dili non-working ha, special working. Pag kasabot palandaan nga, special working day, mo trabaho ka ana, working day, dili siya special non-working day. Kung special working day na siya, again, we go back to premium pay, number 2, you are only entitled to your daily wage. No premium pay is required. You are not required for premium pay because work on that said day is considered an ordinary work day. Kung ordinary work day, wala kay premium pay nga madawat, 100% ra. Kay duty ra man jud ka ana, no? Required man jud ka mo duty kay dili wala man ay premium pay nga ihatag sa imuha. So mao na siya. Naara jud na dira sa Dole Handbook ang pagsabot ra jud na ninyo, pag-comprehend. Okay? Medyo yes, it's kind of confusing, but again, you just know the difference between a special non-working day and special working day. Mao ra jud na siya. Giyaha pong mga mga percentage. Okay. Additional questions. This is the time that you ask kay para na to. I should do more oral recitation often, no? Sa face-to-face na lang guro. Para masabtan ninyo maayo. You go back to this, you read this again and again. Once I write the examination, usually kanira ba, no? For work performed on a rest day, which is also a special day, pila ka percent na siya. Mga anak ko mangutana. Para mabalaan jud if nagkuan ba jud mo. Nag-study or nagsabot jud siya sa percentage niya. Okay? Questions? Sige lang kay we will consider kay karon medyo galibog pa man pod mo. Basta balikan lang niya siya ang recording. This session is recorded, no, kay given nga wala man jud tay handouts all throughout the discussion, no. Dole Handbook ra man siya na akong gi-upload, siya already uploaded long time ago. kuan na lang jud siya. Kuan na lang jud siya, no? Ang kana na lang jud pag-review na lang jud ninyo sa each part of the Dole Handbook. Nya naka-record naman ni siya, so at least you have something to go back to, no, once medyo libog pa kaayo ang part sa discussion on the premium and holiday pay. Okay? Let me just turn off my record.